Good morning, students. Again, I came back with your new chapter, that is chapter number 7, factorization. Listen, my dear student, this chapter is very important because the kind of sums that we have to solve here, this will now carry forward to your next class, that is in your class 9. So that this chapter is very important. Put your more effort in this chapter to find out the solution. One more thing, we cannot go through the entire questions in the exercise because there are so many questions are given in each exercise. In exercise 7a, I have to solve up to question number 14. Other than 14 number questions that you must practice in your home as per your assignment work, and in between question 1 to 14 there are certain questions that I have to solve here. So be ready for that. Now here are some rules. First of all, factors. Dear student, you all know about factors. What is a factor? So when an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions. An algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more fractions. That is quite natural. Each of this expression is called a factor of the expressions. So that the smallest parts of that expression, that is factors of that expression. Now what is factorization? The process of finding two or more expressions whose product is the given expression. See, the process of finding two or more expressions, we have to find out two or more expressions from the given expression, so that whose product is the given expression is called factorization. One more thing, it is very important. Here I have written in block letter, it is the reverse process of multiplication. Just ulta hota hai multiplication ka. Now here is the example, multiplication of product of 3x, and 3x is the monomial term and 4x minus 5y is binomial term. The product between these two expressions gives 12x square minus 15xy. Now if we reverse this situation, that is 12x square minus 15xy, we have to factorize it so that it becomes into two more expressions, that is 3x and 4x minus 5y. So hence I think you all know about what is called factorization. Now here are the three conditions on which we have to apply this, that is factorization when common monomial factors occurs in each term. This one is first condition. Second, factorization when a binomial is common. Second condition. And last one is we grouping them. Okay, then we should proceed to our exercise 7. Student, now we have to solve exercise 7a. Questions present in exercise 7a, that is question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and one questions of each individual question. Now first question, that is 12x plus 15. Here we have to find out highest common factors of 12x plus 15, that is 3. Now 4x plus 5. One is highest common factor and one is remainder. How do we get this remainder? When we divide this 12x plus 15, this 12x plus 15 whenever divided by 3, 4x 5. So that here is the product between 3, that is highest common factor, and 4x plus 5 is the remainder. So next question, again we have to find out its highest common factor, that is 5ab multiplied to 3b, because 5 3s are 15ab square minus 5 4s are 20 A, so that 5 4s are 20, A square and B. Here is the remainder, here is the highest common factor. Now about question number 3, 36 and 60. 12 is the highest common factor. 12 and x cube and x square gives x square is highest common factor. Y and y cube, y is the highest common factor. So what we have, what is the remaining quotient of this division? That is 3, 12 3s are 36, x minus 12 5s are 60, and y cube y, so that y square z. So highest common factor is 12x square y into quotient is 3x minus 5y square z. So that if we reverse them, 12 3s are 36, x square into x, x cube, y into 1, y. Now minus 60, that is 12 into minus 5 gives minus 60, x square into 1, x square, then y into y square, y cube, z into 1, z. Now again for the next question, that is 9x cube minus 6x square plus 12x. Here again we have to find out highest common factor. That is 3x. 3x square minus 2x plus 4 is the answer. Now dear student, you can separately do it in your rough work also. That is 9x cube minus 6x square plus 12x, that is divided by 3x, 3x, 3x. 3 3s are 9, x square, 3 2s are 6, x, 3 4s are 12, x cancel. So that 3x square minus 2x plus 4. 3x square minus 2x plus 4. You can check your solution also. Now next one, 14, 21. First of all we have to take numerical coefficients. That is 14, 21 and 28. That is 7. Now x cube, x4, x to the power 4, x square. That is x square. Here y is present in only two terms. So highest common factor becomes 7x square. Multiply 2, 7 2s are 14, that is 2x plus 7 3s are 21. X to the power 4 whenever divided by x square gives x square minus 28 divided by 7 gives 4. X square divided by x square gives 1 and y square left over. So that the solution for question number 5 is 7x square into 2x plus 3x minus 4y square.